Oh my god.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me.
Hi and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Haul Kinda Girl. I have August of 2019's Boxycharm. If you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription where you pay $21 for 5 full size items or 6. So I'm going to jump right into the first item now. I am really excited because, like you guys know, I love Wander Beauty. This is one of the greatest companies for makeup. They have so much different stuff, skincare, makeup, you name it. But today they sent me this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Okay, so we have how many ounces? 2.5 milliliters, which is 0.84 ounces. This is pretty big. Now, I'm going to see how much the actual price goes for. Somebody had said it's $144 for the Boxycharm, and we're only paying $21. So, the price for the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil is $42. I think that's such an awesome deal. Like I said, $21, and we're already at $43 for one of the items. And it just says, bring out your skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity. Sorry, it's really hard to read through the camera. While a potent blend of our signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. Cool. So just like their card says, totally, yes, this is totally awesome. Totally so cool. So the next item is so awesome. I've seen a lot of people with the Boxycharms unboxing, and they got the same exact mascara. And what is so cool is look at the picture. They have before and then they have after. So this is made by one of my favorite companies, and this is Tarte, and it's called Big Ego. So it's really, really big. And let's see. I'm going to open it up, and I'm just trying to see if there's anything else. Here we go. Confidence Booster Brush. Twisted double fiber bristles for a max pigment load. Lash loving ingredients. Cool. So there's just 2 little things on there. Okay, look at how humongous this is. And this is so bright pink that it's really literally not even showing up how bright pink it is. I think this is like the coolest mascara ever. Just like the packaging is awesome. It is humongous. I am going to try to compare this. Let's see. Let's compare it to the tube of the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Look at how thick that is and how long that is. That is humongous. So awesome. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So look at how big the actual dual brush is for the mascara. It is humongous. I'm really excited about trying this out. And I will go over all the prices at the end. I just decided not to do for each item. I will just do it at the end. And what's really cool about this month, I got different stuff, which I'm going to show at the end, than other people. So the next items I got is this Ace Beauté, and this is Ace Beauté. So I got 2 different eyeshadows. They're absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I wouldn't even probably have to even swatch these just because they're so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and open them up. Okay, I lied. Before I open them up, I just want to tell you guys the names. So this one is Huckleberry, which I believe is the darker one. Let's see. Yeah. So this beautiful maroon red, very, very high pigmented, such a beautiful color, is Huckleberry. Then the other one is Glimmer Shadow French Vanilla. So these are just so beautiful. I can't even believe how gorgeous these colors are. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys like this, and then I'm actually going to swatch them. I just don't want to ruin it because look at, there's like little hearts. Okay, so for some reason it looked like little hearts from far away, but it's little circles. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch these beautiful colors right now. Wow is all I could say. I mean, absolutely beautiful, you guys. So we have the Huckleberry Shimmer, and look at how pretty. I just can't. I'm gonna try to go from far away a little bit from on my arm, but look at that. OMG. Okay, so I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I had to put it on like 3 different swatches to make it that pink, but I'm gonna show you guys what it is just like with one swipe. Okay, so with just one swipe, it looks like that. This one right here. So it's actually very, very beautiful and pigmented. Very, very beautiful. And then the other one is French Vanilla. Now this one I only put on 2 swatches, like 2 different lines. And I'm going to go ahead and put 3 just so we can see it better. Alright, now let's see. See how you can see it a lot better? So that's with 3 different swatches. Wow, absolutely beautiful. I cannot get over these colors. So that's just with 1 line. That is with 3 for the pink Huckleberry Fin. Is that Huckleberry Fin or... Wait a minute. Let me just... I just said Huckleberry Fin. Let's see. No, it is not Huckleberry Fin. It is just Huckleberry. I'm so sorry. I know I'm silly. I always start doing stuff in my videos when I'm trying to be serious. But this Huckleberry Fin Huckleberry color is absolutely amazing, you guys. So beautiful. OMG. I'm just too excited. I get so excited about Boxycharm. Alright, let's get into the next item. So, like, this is, like, the most awesome thing ever. I seen everybody getting this, and I'm like, please, please, I hope I get this too. So, this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Now, there is 0.35 ounces. Okay, before I'm trying to take this out of the package, but... this is worth $39, you guys. And there's going to be like a mirror on here. That's why I don't want to be showing myself. But $39 just for this. Just stop it. And we're paying $21 for the box. This is amazing. Like, literally amazing. So what's so cool about this is... Alright, let's try to read it because it's kind of hard. Okay. This it's really hard to see this. Okay, let's try this again. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin. See how it's not focusing? So I literally cannot see it. I'm so sorry. Okay, cut number 2, cut number 3. Sorry about that. Okay. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and a comfortable feel. So it is going for $39, you guys. It is so awesome. I just can't even get over how much money it is worth. And, you know, Becca products are absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. Just so excited about using this. Okay, so we're going to get into the last items, and then I'm going to go over the card. So I didn't see anybody else get these. I waited till the end of the video, so hopefully you waited till the end to see. But this is just a sheet mask, an intensive sheet mask that works to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even tone complexion. That sounds right up my alley. I am so excited about this. So let's see if they gave me 2 of them. Let's see. I think they did give me 2. So they gave me 2 of the same thing, which is really cool. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use one, and I'm going to give one away to somebody else. But let's see what it says on the back. Okay, so it is... Okay, there is English too. Containing rich... The abstract fermented by berry helps relieving skin's stress and anti-aging by eliminating oxygen or active oxygen. Cool. It says it's free of 7 parabens, 11 harmful substances. It is free from cruelty, animal origin ingredient, artificial colorant. Cool. This is so exciting. So let's see where this is made. I don't think it even says. But I'm so excited about trying this. I love when they send me masks. I mean, I really love when they send me makeup. But once in a while, it is cool to get some of the cool masks. Okay, so I want to look on this card and see how much these cool, or they're called Wonder, masks are going for. Let's see here. Okay, so at the end, let's see, $9 each. So basically these are like $10. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so let's get into how much the items are here. So we already went over the Becca, and that is worth $39. Then the next item, we already talked about that. This is worth $42. Remember, guys, $21 for this whole entire box. The next is the Big Ego mascara, the big huge one, and that is $23. Wow. So $2 more, and that's how much the box is. Let's see, the Ace Beauté Glimmer Shadow Dual. So it's $25. They are such a beautiful color. Let's go and show you guys one more time. Look at how gorgeous. So beautiful. So beautiful. And we already went over the masks, the Wonder Berry Antioxidant masks, and those are $9. So this month, I cannot believe how amazing this box is. Actually, I can believe, because I totally love Boxycharm. And they do surprise me every month with something really awesome, with new surprises. I mean, guys, for $21, we cannot beat this price. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. And even if you're not subscribed and you don't want to be subscribed, you just watch my videos, I love you too. I love you guys all. And I love all my subscribers. Without you guys, I wouldn't even have a channel. I appreciate every single one of you. And just remember, guys, I'm not perfect. I know I say that in every video, but I'm seriously not. I never claimed to be, and you know, I try to become a better person every day. And with that said, you seriously cannot take care of anybody in this whole entire world until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself properly, you can take care of others properly. I love you guys, and please leave me a comment below. What was your favorite color? The Huckleberry Fin, LOL, I meant Huckleberry, or was the French Vanilla? Well, let's make sure it's French Vanilla. Let's see. Yep, French Vanilla. So which one out of the two is your favorite color? Just put below Huckleberry or French Vanilla. I love you guys, and I hope you're doing amazing. Until next time, have a beautiful day.